A few of you have been asking some quite important questions about the Dell XPS 17, and in this video, in 5 minutes, I'll try to answer some of those important questions. If you're ready, let's get on with the questions. There are 4 Thunderbolt 3 charging ports on the Dell XPS 17, 2 on both sides, and also there is a headphone jack and a SD card slot also on the Dell XPS 17. And Dell was also nice enough to add this dongle. This dongle is a HDMI and a USB 3 ports. So those are the port. That's the port situation on the Dell XPS 17. Officially, the Dell XPS 17 cost about $3,000 for this version I have here with me, but I was able to call the Dell call center, and they were kind enough to apply a $300 discount, which ended up translating to about $2,799. So, and that's minus taxes. So that's the price I got the Dell XPS 17. Yes, the Dell XPS 17 can support up to 3 4K monitors at 60Hz resolution, but ideally I would recommend 2. Based on rumors online and other feelers from Intel, the i9 version of the Dell XPS 17 should be out sometime in July, and also it also might come with a 64 gig RAM version. Don't quote me on that, but that's the feelers I'm getting online. The XPS 17 comes with a vapor chamber cooling system, which is built for increased airflow, and it's also brand new from Dell. So whether you're doing heavy workflow, or you're doing editing, or you're doing any other thing you throw at this laptop, the cooling system built by Dell will work for you. Because so far, yeah, you would hear the fan, but it's not as crazy or as hot as it would be. So you're sure, I can guarantee you that from my own usage that this laptop is going to do very well. So I don't think you should really worry about the air or the fan or anything. All you should worry about is, can this laptop do what you want it to do? Yeah. The Dell XPS 17 comes in Full HD and 4K resolution screens, and also it's a 17-inch laptop with a 15-inch form factor, and also it has a 16:10 resolution screen. Yes, the Dell XPS 17 comes with Windows Hello, and also it has a fingerprint reader, and also you could also log into your laptop through a 4-digit pin, or also you could also use your password. So there are four ways at which you could log into your laptop, so you can be sure your laptop is going to be secured. All you just have to do is choose any of the 4 that fits or suits your taste. Battery life with the Dell XPS 17 has been mixed but very good, and my battery has ranged between 8 to 16 hours. So it all depends on how you do it and how you set the laptop, but so far so good. The laptop has been very good for me in terms of battery life. Battery life, as I said earlier, would depend on your usage. So to round up, for me, the Dell XPS 17 has been a good experience. It has kind of surpassed my expectations. You just have to see the laptop to really know what people are really raving about the laptop. It's beautiful, it's well designed, it's really built. It was really built well by Dell. I am really happy, and it's 17-inch, but it feels like 15-inch body wise. But this is really a beast. So what else do I want from a laptop? This is doing everything I want from the laptop, and I'm really so far happy with it. And will I recommend the Dell XPS 17? Sure, I will, but at the end of the day, it's up to your pocket and up to you to make that decision. Till the next video, I thank you for watching. Until next time, it's peace.